Well, here's the Lifetouch website. This is the link. Go in there and edit. So here's what it is: onlineyearbooks.lifetouch.ca and then /myjobs.aspx. So that's the link. When you go in there, this is what appears up on the screen. You get all of this stuff. But I'm not sure where this all comes from, but I think you might have to select your school. This is the number for PWC, 119-81322. That's the school identifier. That's the code. So if you're into Lifetouch, and if you're logging in on the computer for the first time, and you log into again this onlineyearbooks.lifetouch.ca, it might take you to a page where you can't see this stuff, but that is the code to get you in, 119-81322, and that gets you into the PWC the PWC yearbook. So this is your dashboard, but the place where you actually create the yearbook is here in Book Builder. So I usually go into, there's Book Builder, and there's the ladder diagram. You have master pages, ladder diagram. The ladder diagram, this is what I always work from. This gives you a kind of thumbnail sketch of all of the pages. You can view either the first 24. Now, right now, this is blank, so you can't see anything. Or you can change it down here to all pages. There's 80 pages here, and you can see them all kind of like simultaneously, like what's on each page. And then if you want to start working on a page, you can just go in and grab one. And what I want to show you how to do first is work with the layouts. So over here you can see that we have layouts, we have portrait panels, text, and all of this stuff to work with. But the layout is kind of like the main thing. That's how you're going to format your page. Like, what is it going to look like? So if you click on one of these pages, it will bring up both of them simultaneously, page 6 and 7, facing each other. And then in layouts, you can see there's a whole bunch of different ones. So the portrait layouts, those are for if you want to put in like the Lifetouch photos that were taken, like the class photos or the graduate photos, right? That's what they look like. You can drop that down, and I'll just show you what happens. Like, you can take any one of these layouts and you can just practice with it and see what happens. You can just grab it and bring it over here, and you see how both of them just lit up, and drop it down, and it takes a little while, but you see it all fills in like so, and you have, so there it is. So now this is ready for photos to be like flowed in. And so like if you choose a particular class or a particular grade level and assign it to these pages, all the pictures will just flow in automatically, and all of the names will be there automatically. So it's kind of like it's done automatic, like you don't have to do the work. Now, if you don't like this, you can get rid of that stuff. Let me just go back here. So here's some actions. Well, I can just undo. There's an undo button. But if you don't like these actions, you can do this. Clear page contents. So I'm going to clear. So I just didn't like it. It's like you don't like the formatting, you don't like the way it looks. You can just clear the whole thing out. And so you just hit on. All right, let's go back here. More actions. Clear page contents. I want both left and right pages. Now the borders here, like this will get rid of everything. If I just wanted to get rid of borders, or if I wanted to get rid of backgrounds, I would choose down here, but this will get rid of the whole works. And then when I hit clear, the whole thing vanishes. So now I'm back to square one. I'm going to save this just so there's no confusion. Like, say, like if you don't save your the changes in the yearbook won't be saved. And I think I'm in the wrong. Oh God.